Hello everyone and welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering eBay dropshipping. If you are ready to unlock the potential of e-commerce and build a profitable online business, you are in the right place. In this comprehensive course, we will take you step by step through the entire process of setting up and scaling your eBay dropshipping business venture. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some experience, you will gain the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Here is a glimpse of what you'll learn. How to create and set up your eBay account. Proven strategies for finding profitable, high-demand items to sell on eBay. How to effectively use powerful automations tools like Trackerbot, AutoDS, Zik Analytics to streamline your operations and save valuable time, and much, much more. This free course is brought to you by Trackerbot. And if you find it helpful, we would love for you to share it with your friends or anyone interested in dropshipping. Now, get ready to dive in and transform your eBay dropshipping journey. Let's get started.